What's up, everyone? It's back with Small Town Dodge. Today I got something cool for you guys. My buddy Chase has a 500 horsepower EcoBoost Mustang that I got the chance to ride in, and I am sorry that I didn't get this video up sooner, which I really should have. Told him I'd be getting this thing up like 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, and I never got around to getting anything edited out. So, Chase, I'm sorry, but here it is, man, and I appreciate you letting me ride in it. It was awesome. I had a blast riding in it, dude. That thing is fast. I don't know what else to say other than here's the clips. So damn. Get my pussy belt on real quick. In your seat the whole time. Not the fastest thing I've been in, but holy shit. How fast have you got it up to?
Oh, I've hit it up at 140.
Holy shit, man. This thing looks like you have a lot of fun on weekends.
You know what? How much time you got?
I got enough. What do you want to do?
Just where it really shines is in the corners, and I got a spot to go to.
Hell yeah. Say I got until about 9. That's when I got to get off work. Oh my god.
I knew it was gonna fucking, the light was gonna come up.
Dude, this thing's intense. Holy crap.
Big thing is it doesn't weigh anything.
Yeah.
Compared to the GT.
Dude, this thing's fucking awesome. You get to have all the fun in the world with this. This is what I want. We were just talking about EcoBoost. Before you even were gonna show up, we were like, what about those EcoBoost Mustangs? And he was like, those things are sick. With a simple tune, they fucking go. Yeah. I don't know what it is.
A lot more to a GT. It's just because it already has built internals and everything like that to support the.
Jesus! What, is that like a 4-second 0 to 60?
Something like that.
God damn. Dude, this thing's awesome.
It rips.
Yeah, it rips. Oh, I can't wait to show my wife this. How's it doing just daily driving?
Good. I can pop it and drive and then shift down and
hell yeah.
Just cruises. And I can get 25, 30 miles to the gallon.
Hey, that's pretty sick. In that V8, you'd be getting like 12 to the gallon. What the fuck are you doing? See you later. This thing's sweet. Got paddle shift too.
Turn right here. They still let me do that?
I don't know. I guess right up there.
Yeah.
Oh, them noises. This is faster than a couple muscle cars I've been in.
It's a different kind of power.
Yeah, it is. I've even been in some built VWs and they don't pull like this thing.
It's different. It's different than anything I've ever been in. So.
I feel it. back streets of Mexico right now. That was kilometers.
Yep.
Jesus Christ. What are you cruising at, about 70?
75.
Hell yeah. I didn't expect this tonight. This is awesome. Golly. Holy shit. Holy crap, dude.
Here's a sharp one.
Oh my god, your car's a fucking monster.
Brakes aren't loving it.
Yeah. Dude, this thing floats. Hell yeah. Going 50 around those corners, dude. Holy shit. My heart's racing. Holy fuck. Jesus Christ.
Oh. There you go.
Oh man. Thank you. I don't know what else to say. Man, I'm gonna be talking about this the rest of the month. Dude, thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
Thank you very much. Oh my god. I got a whole video in one video.
There you go. Figured I'd give you more than just a takeoff down the road.
Hell yeah, man, I appreciate it. I think I know what I'm getting.
Yeah, they're very cheap to maintain. They're, I mean, stupid reliable.
Hell yeah. Who needs a V8 when you got one of these? This thing's
Although
fucking
I really
awesome.
wish, I mean, the sound of the V8 is
Yeah, it's
completely different, but
yeah.
I don't know. I wanted something different, I guess.
This thing kind of, it reminds me when it's going down the road, it sounds like a GTR.
A little bit.
When you like really hammer it and you're building up the boost and it's shifting quick, it just sounds like a GTR. That sounds fucking sweet. Well, shit, when we get back, you want to hear my truck?
Sure.
I got the muffler deleted off of it yesterday and a Y pipe up underneath. It's still got the resonator, so it's not too loud, but it's not quiet.
Yeah, someone you should
fucking paddle shifts are insane.
Stop sign.
Oh shit. So I'd say the video speaks for itself. Is honestly, I don't know the 0 to 60 time it really was. It felt like it was at least 5.5 seconds. It was very, very quick. And when it was shifting through the gears, I know it doesn't pick it up on audio, but it sounds like a GTR. I'm not playing at all one bit. It sounds like a GTR from the inside. It's awesome. But thank you again, Chase, for letting me get a ride in it. I appreciate it, and maybe we can get some more videos up of it. It's up to you. If you guys want to see more content of his Mustang, you guys just let me know, and I can get something, you know, brought up. So please like and subscribe, and thank you guys for watching.